608 is my room number, 6th floor. I don't smoke. Okay. You have to insert your card, room's card, to access your own floor. I missed that out because I was extremely tired. A hot guy showed that to me. If I'm not wrong, this is a very popular hotel with hello. A watchman there said Swadi Kha to me, and I said hello. I've managed to ask them for a vegetarian rice. I was damn hungry, so I had to. Thank you. Vegetarian is called Mang Savirat in Thai. Where am I right now? Bangkok. You know, it all starts with you. You have to start from your side. Just at this time, I have, come with a very clear mindset as to how to think, how to be, how to behave. Because there are all sorts of people everywhere in the world. But like I said, it starts from you and your thinking and your energy. As long as I get food to eat, I don't need anything else. Bapre. You just have to point at something and say Mang Savirat. That is vegetarian. Wow, nice view. Now I'll be taking the BTS straight to the Chatuchak market. It's 3:45. I have some time more. English. Zoom in. I have to go to Mochit. 47. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm staying in a very different area this time. I hadn't stayed in this part. So the BTS is quite expensive from here to everywhere. Not too expensive, the difference is not too much, but definitely more than what it was in the past. Aa gayi. Got down from that one, now waiting for this one.
Next station, Payapai. Interchange with Airport Railing.
I have reached here, but it's raining. Oops. This is how Thailand has welcomed me. It's raining so heavily and I'm so tired right now from all the walking. Oh my god. I'll just eat something and go back to the hotel and crash down again. I just died and came back to life. This is not meat, it is pink potato, which is common in Thailand. That is so cute. I don't know why everyone is staring at me, maybe because I'm wearing pink. Or maybe I look very good. I am here in this what is popularly known as the gay area of Bangkok, Silom. Let's cross the road without dying in Bangkok. Ooh, I have not slept for more than 4 hours in the last 29-30 hours, I think. Extremely tired and already had a variety of experiences, especially with food, which is very depressing actually, but it's okay. I mean, if I come to a country where vegetarian food is sparsely available, there will be issues for sure. But it was so much fun. I had so much fun. Wow. On the first day itself. Now I'm walking towards my hotel using Google Maps. There is no other way to find your place. I can't even begin to describe how tired I am. I left Pune at 5 p.m. on the 20th of July 2024 because the flight was at 10, and it is always better to reach at least 4 hours in advance. That is recommended. And then my connecting flight was from Hyderabad, and waiting got reduced because the first flight got a little delayed. So both the flights were enjoyable. I got an excellent seat for free with extra legroom, 1F, and I slept for 4 hours in total. So I have slept for only 4 hours in total in the last, how many hours? 24 plus 5, 29, 30 hours. Extremely tired, and I walked a lot already. Walking through the Chatuchak market itself is such a big task and an accomplishment that I really feel like patting my back. But it was fun. As far as food is concerned, what happens is that because Bangkok is primarily a non-vegetarian city, or the predominant food that is eaten is non-vegetarian. So someone had actually said to me that this is not the right place for you to be during 2014's TEFL course. But you do find, after 6 trips, I have finally figured out a way to ask for vegetarian food, mang savirak or something like that, and they understand that you don't eat meat or egg as well. You can't say J because they don't even add onion and garlic, but I do eat onion and garlic. So food is not an issue as such, but finding it and finding someone who would prepare that vegetarian rice for you is sometimes a little tricky and difficult. And today I had 2 dishes and the portion was small. I spent a lot, so I feel itne paise gaye, but it's okay. I think that is part of travel. But then on the way back, I went to 7-Eleven and bought so much food that I'm going to sit and eat now. Sweet and buttery, extremely tasty.